think it's just lugging the engine real bad. See that barrel roll?
Yeah.
Because I know when I was at Tipton, their 200 horses did it extremely bad. Now these were even worse when they were brand new because they were a 220 horse with the fuel sense on the high setting and economy mode and all that crap. We sent them and had them turned off, so they're actually in more of a performance mode now. They're not as bad, but they makes you ragged.
These ones have more get up and go than the ones in Romulus did. They were, like, it would take forever to get to third gear.
As I've tipped the car. I'm just going to floorboard it up here, like not even easing to it like I normally do. You'll see it. They jump and they get off the line quick, but they're not no racers.
Right.
I didn't mind the one I drove. It was just, it hurt my back, my hip. Had very good heat on it, but I was carrying too many kids and the bus couldn't hold it and it couldn't pull it. Like even the AC wouldn't keep the bus from moving that many kids.
I love how the AC has a vent right there, like pointed right at you. That's nice. That's nice.
Well, you didn't notice my CE has them down low, and I can point one like to my chest and then head or whatever.
Yeah.
I like that. But this one was good about it. You could point it all right here.
So in your forehead, that'd be sweating all the time. Yeah, that'd be nice.
I told you I just stalled it. They're not bad. They're just one of those. When you put 60 kids on here and try to accelerate on a 2-lane highway and make a student stop, they're not friendly. She only lives right over here, so I'm not gonna call her. See, ours is already doing 60. That's not terrible. I don't blame them. They're just not no workhorse, that's for sure. And then, like the doors rattle. This has got a lot of wind noise, and you can hear all the rattling back there behind. I can't stand that. I know the Vision I drove, I constantly had to screw the dasher down because I'd hit a bump and you see the whole thing pick up, and it's like, no.
That's the ones I need to find where the dash is loose on mine, because it does. It jumps a little bit.
I can't stand that. Or the rattling and things like that, I can't. And then these cup holders here, they break, like they're not working for it. This one may actually be broken. Yeah, it's missing a lot of things, so it's one of those like piece of crap. I thought the fan would change the engine, but it didn't. Oh, we were talking about the light monitor. It ain't gonna work on this one because I changed it over from incandescent to LEDs. So she got a lot more hourly stops now, and it won't pick it up. And she brought that up the first day she drove it on the route. She said, a little thing inside ain't flashing, telling me they're working. And then I can't see him in the mirror. And I'm like, yeah, the sun's hitting it, so you can't see him in the mirror. And I changed out the lights, so that light monitor won't work anymore. It's useless.
That's the one thing about me switching over that I'm not liking. I like my light monitor.
Well, if you get a new light monitor, like the sound off one or the one that can pick up LEDs, it'll work. But this one won't do it. Old letters
Somebody
top.
called it incandescent light monitor. Well, mine doesn't say incandescent light monitor. It just says exterior. So I wonder if it would.
No, it's the 1927 model, old school. It
See,
ain't
but I like the ones that look like that. I don't.
They look good, but they just won't pick it up. I'll give you the exhaust brake, and I'll take off right here like I normally would if I was driving it daily, like on a daily route. And it don't do awful. Nope, it's not going to work. It's just going to gear down. The turbo's not going to do its job. Yeah, this bus is being a Becky right now. That's why I said they're very, very temperamental because that didn't come on like it's supposed to. It's supposed to actually have the turbo, shut the valve on it, and act like an exhaust brake, and it didn't do it. But this is how I used to take off when I drove mine. That's how I did it. But it jumped very good off the line. But it was just a thing of like, once it hits third gear, it was like, are we done yet? There it goes. Now it's working as a retard. See, it works amazing when it works. But it's a BlueBird, so what do you expect?